heart of the disaster zone in San Jose Barangay with my friends. These kids all survived the typhoon, the superstorm Haiyan, and here they are in the wreckage of our village gymnasium. We're going to do the Ice Bucket Challenge. Now, those of you who want to go on the ALS website and donate, please do. One of our dearest friends from Maui, Danya Parisian, died last year from ALS. We really care about that. But we also ask that at the same time that you're doing your own Ice Bucket Challenges and you're donating to charity, please go to the Bumi Sehat website. You can donate to help keep our medical relief for this community in Leyte up. There's a button on the Bumi Sehat website, or you can just donate to general fund. Let's keep this gentle model of free mother, child, and family-centered community health going for free. Okay, we're going to go down to the beach with our bucket of ice. Who wants to go?
Me!
Who wants to go dump ice on Lola Robin?
Me!
All get your buckets. Here. Hey. Myra.
Yeah.
Del. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Let me nominate my people. Are you ready? First nomination. Even if you've been nominated before, do it again. Stay human. Michael Franti, who was here in Dulag. He knows the conditions. Second nomination, Senator Pia Cayetano, my friend. Thank you, Senator Pia. I can't wait to see your Ice Bucket Challenge. Next nomination, Kuya Efren Florida. I know where you live, Kuya. You're gonna do it. Do it. And my son-in-law, Robbie Navicula. Yes. Robbie, Lee Robbie, you gotta do it. And Opie Andresta, Ibu Opie, I also know where you live. So, are you ready, kids?
Yes!
What do I gotta do? I'm gonna get on my knees. Okay, are you ready? Okay.
Unahin niyo muna yung mga bata.
Alam
Ready?
mo na?
Start with the big bucket or the small one?
The small one.
Okay, small first. Okay.
Okay,
Are
ready?
you ready?
Go.
Oh wait, I gotta say, my granddaughter nominated me, Zoe Martinez. Thank you.
Okay. Then,
Sige. Go!
Oh, Okay,
You ready?
you ready? No, wait a minute.
wait.
Wait a minute. So cold.
Okay.
Ay, kamay, kabataan, sa lipod, sa lipod. Ay, kamay, sa lipod.
Yeah.